Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno4 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, open Tab menu. Now find one-handed mode icon and click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you want to change placement of this screen, you can click on this button icon over here. And if you wish to go back, click on this tab icon in one of the corners. If you don't have this icon over here, you can always tap on this pen one at the top right corner of your tab menu and locate it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!